Changing your plan on LastPass is a straightforward process that allows you to adjust your subscription based on your needs. Follow these steps to successfully change your plan. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the LastPass website and log into your account using your credentials. Make sure you have access to the email associated with your LastPass account. Step 2. Access account settings. Once logged in, navigate to your account settings. This can typically be found by clicking on your account name or profile icon in the upper right corner of the dashboard. Step 3. Select subscription options. In the account settings menu, look for a section labeled subscription or billing. Click on this option to view your current plan and available upgrade or downgrade options. Step 4. Choose your new plan. Review the different plans available and select the one that best fits your needs. Click on the plan you wish to change to and ensure you understand the features and pricing associated with it. Step 5. Confirm changes. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the /con link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. Once you have completed these steps, your LastPass plan will be updated accordingly. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to LastPass support for assistance.